Well, the Supreme Court hearing arguments today in a pivotal abortion rights case.
All right, it could determine whether doctors can perform abortions during medical emergencies in states with bans on abortion.
Fox 8's Sharon Crowley joins us now with a look at what's at stake here, Sharon.
Yeah, Natasha and Steve, it looks like the justices are divided among liberals and conservatives. This is the first time the Supreme Court has considered the implications of a state ban since overturning Roe v. Wade. This case is coming from Idaho, one of 14 states that now ban abortion at all stages of pregnancy with very limited exceptions.
Demonstrators protesting outside the Supreme Court as the justices once again consider a case about abortion. 2 years ago, the High Court overturned Roe v. Wade, putting the right to an abortion up to the states. It's led many states to change laws and restrict access to an abortion. Today, the justices heard arguments about whether doctors in Idaho can perform the procedure in emergency situations, even though the state has a near total ban on abortion.
If ER doctors can perform whatever treatment they determine is appropriate, then doctors can ignore not only state abortion laws, but also state regulations on opioid use and informed consent requirements.
The Biden administration says the Federal Emergency Medical Treatment and Labor Act requires physicians to give stabilizing treatments to patients experiencing a medical crisis, which could include an abortion.
It shouldn't matter where in America you live. This isn't about states' rights, it's about women's rights.
Idaho's law allows for abortions in rape or incest cases or when the mother's life is at risk. But some doctors say the law is too vague, and they're concerned about being criminally charged if the procedure is later deemed medically unnecessary. Senator Melissa Wintrow is the minority leader in Idaho.
The majority of Idahoans support access to abortion care, but the majority party of Idaho has left us behind time and again.
Well, in Arizona today, meantime, a proposed repeal of the state's near-total abortion ban has won approval from the state House. Now it goes before the state Senate there in Arizona. This move coming to repeal after the Arizona court concluded that the state can enforce a law from 1864, which only allows abortion in cases where it saves the patient's life. Natasha?
All right, Sharon, thank you.